world's fastest GTR.
Oh shit.
Top of the morning, bro. Look at this. Your boy is tired. As you can see, I'm half asleep and it's early, man, but we back with another video. I hope you guys tuned into the last video, or I might just have to throw it in this video. I don't know. We'll see. The night kind of was all over the place. The races didn't go as planned, but I stood out there to get some content for y'all. It's early in the morning, man. It's like 5:45, almost 6. I'm meeting up with my boys at the Sheets in Bethlehem. We're about to head over to Race Motive. I hope you guys tuned into my last Race Motive video. That video was dope, man. The vibes over there, just the whole atmosphere, everything over there is it's different, bro. I feel like it's I think I put that as a caption. I think it's like the Super Bowl of car meets, bro. Like, it's crazy over there. It's dope. I recommend anyone I talk to about the Race Motive that's never attended it, you have to check it out, man. But yeah, like I said, I'm still waking up, so if I slur my words, but like I said, yeah, it's 6:30 in the morning. Actually, I thought it was 5:45. I'm all over the place, but I'm gonna head up to Sheets right now, meet up with everybody, put some gas in my car, and let's hit the road. Yes, sir. The boys is here. My boy Josh. Got the Z, of course. My boy Lee. I know you guys remember Lee. The built 8th Gen SI, the yellow one. My boy upgraded to the Supra. Yes, sir. I know you guys already know this guy, fast guy. Mr. Fast Guy is back.
Making over 1,000 horsepower.
Yeah, this is making over 1,000. Right?
He up there.
I thought I raced the 10-speed Mustang. But he spins, let off, the Mustang started.
Sheesh. Yes, sir, we here, man. Waiting in line to get in, bro. I don't know what's going on with this line. I don't remember it being like this last time, but oh, crazy ass cars here, bro. McLarens, Lambos, GTRs, you name it, it's here. Sir, I can't wait to get out the car and show you what's going on, man. She messed with the picture part of it, and I can't figure out how to do it with the videos. I need to do it, man. If anybody knows how to mess with the G7X specifically, as far as like quality for videos, hit me up, man. Let me know, because the quality of the pictures are insane, and I know I could get the quality a lot better. Like, there's so many features that I don't even know how to use with this camera. But yeah, we're here, man. I'm just waiting in line. Looks like they're coming around now. Yes, sir. My boy Mikey Bronco out here. All-wheel drive, EG K-Series Turbo. We got here a GTR and a F80. That?
Case house before it's back. That's
The orange one, or?
yeah, they call that I forget what they call it.
Damn,
You're below 700 plus.
that thing is breaking up bad. That shit was misfiring bad.
Probably missed the gear. You missed the shit.
There you go. R8 and GTR. Man, that's a race.
That was a good ass race.
Sheesh. Super. Sheesh. Two Supras. Let's get it. Damn. Here, man. I haven't really updated the vlog. I just kind of been enjoying the day. Crazy pack, bro. All types of bills, all types of cars. Such a dope event. All types of bills, bro. Sheesh. Next year, I'm planning on putting my Z in here, bro. Hopefully we're on E85. Might be on E85. If I'm on E85, I should be good for like close to 700. Which is, you know, definitely nowhere near a lot of the cars here, but it's good enough for me. I'm cool with that. 650 to 700 range. Next cop, bro. Definitely want to get myself an M4, M3, F80. Sure. Yeah, bro. This event is fire though, man. Sorry, I haven't really picked the camera much because honestly, there's been shutting the track down a lot. There's been a lot of like cars with the engine failing, coolant leaking. Damn, look at this. Beautiful, bro. Beautiful. My boy Mikey Bronco out here, man. All-wheel drive, putting in work. .500 horsepower too. This shit moves, man. Don't sleep. Don't sleep. It's not even turned up, I believe, either. Beautiful, bro. These cars are just beautiful. Damn. Yeah, so I didn't get to get it on video, but you guys be on YouTube a lot. You probably know, well, not only YouTube, dude's just known for the street racing in New York, and he was featured on a bunch of street racing channels and stuff. But Reef, with, I'll tag his Instagram right here. But he was here racing in his twin turbo R8. First pass down the track, I guess he blew cooling lines. So they had to shut the track down for a while to clean that up. Obviously, it's not safe for you to race with, you know what I'm saying, fluids on the track. Man, GTR Lambo. Twin turbo Lambo. Built GTR. So, me and my boys were having these we're having this conversation like, what are we doing wrong in life, bro? These dudes got money, bro. One day, guys, one day. As long as I hit that subscribe button, like the video, tell a friend to tell a friend. One day, one day. This dude came here, car dirty and ever. It's also a pretty cool car to me that's here that I want to show you guys. It's a built twin turbo 370. I got him on Instagram. I'll tag his Instagram right here as well. But I think he's making like 850, 860. The car is nasty. I'm not sure if he's going down the track. I just seen the car parked up. Oh yeah, look, right over here is the world's fastest GTR. I'm gonna get over there and show you guys that. But since we're already on this side, I'll show you guys the Z if it's still parked up there. Yeah, it is right there. Yeah, man, as you guys can see, there's a lot going on here, bro. It's packed. Yeah, that's dope. We got the grill going over here. Corvette. Right here is the Z. This thing makes like 800. thing's insane. Sir, there he is. He's about to go for a ride in R8, but I just spoke to him. This thing makes 860, bro, around there, almost 900. This car's a monster, bro. He's gonna be running it next year. Not this year, he said, but next year he'll be going down the track. I was talking to the guy that owns DMS, Driven Motorsports in Long Island. He gave me his car. This is their car. This shit is dope, bro. Beautiful GTR, bro. Alright. Man, we're gonna see, bro. I might have to take a trip out there and check them out. That's what I was just talking to him about. Like I said, bro, there's some machines out here. G-Wagon, another twin turbo R8. Like over here, bro, if your car is not at least 300K, you can't park over here, I swear to God. And it's the world's fastest GTR. Looks like he might make a pass. I hope he does. I want to see this thing do a pass, bro. This thing goes over 200 miles an hour, easy. R8, Porsche, all McLaren. Sheesh, look at the interior on this. That purple is beautiful. And like I mentioned to you guys at the beginning of the video, I need to mess with my exposure because there's a bunch of options on the camera itself that I don't really know how to work with. But I will. Sheesh. Hey, they're working on something with the Lambo over here. Ferrari in the cut. And there's some F80s, a bunch of F80s parked in the line down there. This Mustang is nasty too. That thing makes like 1,400 at least, the way that thing was going down the track. Another twin turbo R8. G80. It's a whole vibe right there. It goes, man, with the fan. The RV, you got the AMG and the GTR. Nice little food on the grill, man. Oh. Yes, sir. I'm gonna show y'all the craziest part of the whole event. This gas station, $10 a gallon. You shitting me?
Are you crazy? Are you out of your mind?
I just can't get over how beautiful the Lambos are, bro. Like, look at this thing. Beautiful.
Hey, where's the GoPro? Where's the car? Where are you gonna bring them?
Twin turbo. As you guys can see, the paddock right here is cleared out. Everybody's in line. Look at the line is all the way back there. People to race. Crazy long line. Super dirty G80. This GTR, bro, this dude got the fast lane, Dorney Park, because I done seen him go up and down the track like 6 times, bro. But yeah, as you can see, it's pad right here, empty. So a lot of guys are out there in line. So here's that boy himself. That's Reef. You guys know, the one I was telling you guys about. I'll put his Instagram. I'll throw his Instagram in the description, but that's him right here. He actually blew a cooling line while he was going down the track. Blew a cooling line, which is why the car's on the back of a tow truck at the moment. Cybertruck. This is a female-driven twin-turbo R8. Built GTR. I've seen that thing do 180, 190. There you go, Mikey. Finally, after like fucking 10 other cars, man.
Don't miss a gear. Oh, yeah.
Bro, that fucking bubble is
Damn.
minimum 210. I got it.
There's the world's fastest GTR.
Yo, he didn't hit nothing.
Nah, his wing flew off and everything.
He hit something.
Yeah, he hit that wall. He hit the back of his car, hit that wall.
Oh my God.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man. So, as you guys just seen, oh, right there it goes. The world's fastest GTR just got into an accident on the track. There it is. The wing flew off and the bumper and the passenger side also got messed up. But he looks pissed, but hey, stuff happens, bro. That's what happens. Part of the game, bro. Over $1 million invested in that GTR, he said. But hey, man, as long as he's good, the car's still good. As you can see, it still drives. I know that sucks, bro. We all been there. But yeah, man, I'm walking back towards the car. I might just end the vlog here. My camera's gonna die. I'm getting hungry. And been here all day, bro.
Just the wind coming out, that's crazy. Out of here.
GTR version of mine.
I think they're done too, so.
Now you good, bro. Yes, sir. So as you guys can see, I'm back at the apartment. This is where I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's been a while since I dropped the video. I'm gonna start getting more consistent, man. I'm not even gonna talk y'all out with this outro. I'm gonna just go ahead and end it here. It's just gonna be the race motive. I'm not adding the other event that I said I was at. I'm not throwing that in this video. I'm gonna just leave it as the race motive video. Hope you guys look forward to the content I'm about to start putting out. And before I even get into it, talk y'all ear out, I'm gonna just end it right here, man. Y'all already know what to do. Make sure you like, subscribe. Let's get it.
I got that shit off the muscle, from the dirt and the muscle, that's right off the arm. Vest in the seats, trying to start me a farm. This and now when it blows, gonna sound like a bomb. Stuck in the store, I'ma be here for long. If no place being made, then I'm making a song. Jeff out when the box go.